Magandang araw sa ating lahat ng mga taga-subaybay sa ating YouTube channel. Nandito na naman tayo ngayon sa ating panibagong Excel tutorial. Okay, maraming salamat pala sa inyong patuloy na panonood sa ating YouTube channel, and I hope meron na kayong mga ah, other ideas or marami na kayong natutunan sa ating tutorial. Ang ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon guys ay ang find and search. Okay. So I wanted to share this with you because I was assigned to look for the customers that are member of this domain, specific domain. So we have our example here. This is from our previous Power BI training. And then I look for the sample email address in the web, and then I concatenated it here for the demo purposes. All right. So when I was going back, when I was tasked with that, I really don't know what to do. And when I look at the data, we're not talking about 1,000 data. We're not talking about 500 data, 500 lines, but we're talking about thousands of data. So that was almost similar to this, around 20,000 rows. And it is impossible for me to do it within the day if I'm going to filter those names or those customers that is under specific domain assigned to me. And so I look for other Excel formulas, and then I bumped with these two formulas. All right, the find and the search. So actually, there's no difference between these two formulas. And if you do, I mean, if you find difference for this formula, just let me know, write it in the comment section below so that I am, or I will also be educated with the difference of these two. All right, so let's go ahead and uh, show it to you. So equals find, right? Find natin tong funds and C. Don't forget to lock, guys, within text. So this row, meaning this function or formula will look in each cell until till the last row that has data. And then start num, let's start with 1. All right, so that when the formula search on the word, it will start at 1. For this demo purposes, you can start at 1. All right, so here we go. So what are these 9, 10, 11, and 21? So these numbers represents kung saan niya or pang ilang character niya nahanap yung word. Let's say this 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 yung lumabas na nandito. Alright? So with less than 30 minutes, less than 10 minutes, I have delivered what has been asked from me. So, another example, what if two words or two domains yung pinapahanap sa atin? Okay, so if that's the case, we'll combine it with if and is error formula. All right, so let's do it. So first you're gonna do, guys, if you have existing formula, just close this. Okay, open and close. Then you'll type if tab, then you open a parenthesis, then is error, then close this error. Actually, it did. Then value if true. So value if true, copyhin lang natin to, guys. Find. Then ilipat natin tong reference cell carefully to this. cell number, then lock it as well, then comma, value if false, so i-execute lang niya tong first formula natin. Okay, then close it. That's it. So let's take a random sample if na-capture ba ng formula natin yung dalawang domains na pinapahanap sa atin. The constancy, there you go. So it's here. Nakita natin yung dalawang domains na pinapahanap sa atin. So the more domains na pinapahanap sa atin, we'll just need to expand this conditions. If you want to know more about the if conditions, it is available in my previous video. So feel free to go back to that episode and then apply it to this or for this case. Alright, so I hope mayroon kayong natutunan sa ating tutorial today. And I'm going to create more videos for you guys so that so you can learn more about Excel. So stay tuned. See you. Bye bye.